Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is March 18th, the day after St. Patrick's Day, and this girl woke up in this outfit without shoes, but look what it says. The Irish are here. Let the shenanigans begin. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Luck of the Irish. So she was out partying late last night in her little halter top and gathered skirt. So this is how she looks today in her high Barbie green. This today is a challenge I host each month with Dory from Dory's Dollies called Hi Barbie. Each month on the 18th, you can dress any kind of Barbie at all, tiny to huge. And we give themes. Our themes we give on the 9th. And this month was green. Thank you, Dory. Thank you, everyone that participates. If you're participating today, let me know. I might be late to come see your video, new puppy out walking, but I will be there to see your video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.